Are you looking for free traffic for websites or affiliate links to make big money fast? Then maybe you've heard of the traffic exchange platform called EasyHits4U. But is it really a great, easy and fast way to earn big money? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I do make a full-time income from affiliate marketing, and many of you have asked me about this platform. So in this EasyHits4U review, I will give you an inside look and show what you can expect from it, because there's a lot of fake claims out there and you need to know exactly how it works so you do not end up potentially just wasting a lot of time. And I'll go through all that in this video so you know whether this is for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of how you potentially can earn with EasyHits4U, because the idea that many people promote is that if you, for example, have a website, or if you have affiliate links where you earn commissions when people click them or take certain actions after clicking them, then you will know that traffic is what you need to be able to earn. And that's what many people say. You can use something like EasyHits4U because it's a traffic exchange where you can go and visit other people's links or websites, and then in return they will visit yours, and that way you can get free traffic, you can get a lot of traffic, and if you want to pay just a little bit, you can get super cheap traffic. And that's where many people think like, okay, if I have an affiliate offer where I earn like $1, $2, $10, maybe $100 per conversion, because that's definitely possible with affiliate marketing, then with all those thousands of visits I potentially can get for a few dollars or just completely for free by visiting other websites myself, I will become rich and make hundreds of dollars easily and fast. And let me just make it clear that affiliate marketing can make you hundreds of dollars per day potentially if you do it right. And I do make a full-time income from affiliate marketing myself. But EasyHits4U is not necessarily as good a method as many makes it sound, and might not be the right opportunity for you. So there's some very important aspects you need to consider, and that's what I will go over in this video, because I hate seeing people wasting a lot of time chasing hundreds of dollars per day, and then after 1 or 2 years, they could just have done it correctly and they've made really good money, but now they've just seen no results because they just keep chasing these wrong methods. So that's why I decided to record this. So let me log in and explain more about how it works and what you need to be aware of. So I am now logged into EasyHits4U, and it is free to sign up for, and then you can go and add your site, or you can complete your profile, and then you can see you can start surfing once you do that, and you can visit other websites and you'll earn more by doing that, and then you will get visits to your site in return, or your affiliate link, or whatever you want to promote there. So you would just go to the offers, for example, to get started if you want to start completely for free, and you can see there you can choose, for example, EasyHits4U, like websites you need to, or videos you need to watch, and then you see you need to go, and you will get some credits every time you do a certain task there. And that's basically how it is if you want to start for free. You see some websites, you need to visit these, and many of these offers are completely spammy, so be careful believing any of these offers if you come to a landing page that claims a lot of crazy things. So just be aware of that. But then you can see you will earn like 3 coins. Once you have enough, you can add your own website, and then you can start searching or surfing. So you just start visiting other websites, and in return, as mentioned, you will get different traffic to your website. So it definitely seems very appealing, because what everyone that wants to make money online is looking for is traffic. And this seems like a super fast and easy way. And if you're willing to just pay a little bit, you can get it even faster. So let's go over that also. So you can see you can also upgrade your account, and if you upgrade it, you see you get some extra credits that you can use to get visits. You get these banner impressions on other websites, and how long you need to be on other websites to get their visits, and whether you can choose geo-targeting and all these different things, and you will earn more if you invite other people. So it can seem like appealing to upgrade, because definitely it will give you more traffic. But the whole question is, will it actually bring valuable traffic? Because when it comes to affiliate marketing or making money from a website in general, it's not just about traffic. That's a big misunderstanding. You need to have quality traffic, because if not, you will not get any conversions, and then you will not earn. So let's talk a little bit about that, because that's very, very important to consider. So to find out if you actually get anything out of this traffic, let's look at what people promote. For example, here, somebody has this, visit this one here, and I need to visit that site. Let's try also to visit this one also, right? So then we open a couple of different ones. So one of them I've just shared a link to Binance. So this is an affiliate link. Binance is a good crypto platform that is the biggest in the world actually. So it is a real crypto platform, but somebody has just shared a link and then just send it to Binance. Like, how likely is it when you are here to earn, you just want the 3 coins, you get them instantly after visiting. How likely do you think is that you will actually think, like, you come here and look at what it actually is? It's very close to 0% chance that you will actually do that. And the other one, for example, see, someone sends you to a landing page where it says like create a new business. Yeah, maybe a few people will sign up, but then that person will start sending you a lot of spam emails. You don't even know what the email will be used for, right? So I wouldn't do that, but maybe a few people would. But still, then that's not enough. Then they get a lead, but to get that lead to actually convert, it needs to be really good information. And the thing is that, first of all, you see, a lot of these people, they're promoting without knowing how to actually really promote, to provide quality for users and to also make money long term. And they are the people, the ones that are creating this, they are also the ones that will be visiting your site. So think about this. When you are here to earn coins to get visits to your site. Will you even look at these offers? Would you sign up for these platforms? If not, how likely do you think it is that other people will do to that when you promote something? So you're basically just promoting to other people that just want to promote. No one is actually here to find good offers. So therefore, you just get a bunch of traffic from people that want to earn but do not care at all about your offer. And therefore, if you're lucky, you will get a few conversions here and there, but you have to be very lucky to even just earn a few dollars like this. And the reality is just that free traffic exchange, or even if you pay for it, or PTC sites where you can buy thousands of visits to your offer for a few dollars, or things like that, where you just get traffic instantly without any budget and without any effort, anything like that, that will not convert. It will just waste your time and your money. And that's not a way to build a real online business. As I mentioned in the beginning, you can make hundreds of dollars per day with affiliate marketing. Definitely possible. I do that myself, and I know many other people that do also, but they do not use traffic exchanges like this. You do not use cheap traffic from PTC side because it's not scalable. It's not something that will give you real results. So what do you then need to do to get results with, for example, affiliate marketing, or to get real converting traffic to your website? Let's talk a little bit about that next also. So if you want to build a real good income with affiliate marketing or with a website in general, what you need to do is, first of all, forget about quick fixes. It is not going to work. You will not find thousands of free visits to your website that will actually convert. Any methods like that will just waste your time and money. And depending on how you're using your website, for example, or YouTube videos or whatever, using tricks like that can actually hurt your YouTube channel or hurt your website, because you're getting fake traffic, which can actually hurt it. In some cases, it even goes against the terms of the platforms you're using. If we're talking search engine optimization, you will get very low visit time on your website, which can also hurt it. For YouTube videos, it goes against the terms to send fake traffic like this, and the average watch time will be very low, which will also hurt it. So overall, you're not only wasting your time and potentially money, you're also hurting your long-term chances of actually making good money. So there's no reason to use things like this if you are serious about building a real online income and getting real converting traffic. What you need to do is to learn to build up real quality traffic by providing value to people, talking about something or writing about something, whatever your method is. It can also be social media where you share valuable content. Once you do that, you will build up an audience, and when you then share promotional offers, affiliate links, or try to send traffic to your website or other websites, then it will be quality traffic, because it's people that are really interested, and they will not just go there for 2 seconds or something like that. They will go there because they want to hear what you have to say, because they know that you are genuine, you provide quality, and then it will convert. And that is what can give you really, really great earnings long term. But it will not happen overnight. If you're looking for a way to make hundreds of dollars overnight, you will fail online. And I've mentioned it many times and I will keep mentioning it because so many people misunderstand it, and it's one of the most important things to succeed online. Forget those shiny objects. They will not work. You will just waste your time. Focus instead on learning real skills to build quality traffic. And I made this video to stop you from wasting time because I see so many people wasting time using the wrong methods when they're trying to make money with affiliate marketing or with websites in general. And I wanted to explain this so you do it with the right expectations. But if you are willing to actually put in the effort and learn the right approach to create quality traffic, then I do have more information on my website about the exact approach that I have used to build a real affiliate online business. I will leave a link to that below so then you can go and check that out. But that's only if you're actually willing to put in effort. If you're not willing to put in effort, forget all about ever making good money online, and it's just not going to happen, and it's very important to understand. And I hope this video helped you and gave you some clarification about what is the right way for you to spend time online so you do it with the right expectation. And if the video did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.